Professor Quintero Del Basmi. Tonight we have the pleasure to present for you our company. Our company is called Girls World. This company is located in the Panama Canal, exactly in Barra Colorado Nature Monument. The company is a recognized company for the recovery and conservation of birds. This is located in the Panama Canal, how I told you. When you go to the place, you will find many birds, and you will have direct contact with more than 1,320 bird species, recovering more than 1,500 hectares of forest. Birds World is an amazing place used for make many activities. For example, you will find the following bird species. They are blue-gray tanager, harpy eagle, the blue and yellow mako, and green kingfisher, and the Salvin's amazing parrot. In Spanish, they are azulejo, ayonarpía, guacamaya, amarilla y azul, martín pescador y los loros cabeza roja. This is in Spanish, because in Panama the people speak Spanish. We have many workplace or many positions in the company. They are, I am the manager, Marta Yanez, she's the secretary, Yaricel, she's the tour guide. And at this moment, the assistant manager is not here. In this moment, we have not the information for this position. And the manager has the following function under his charge. I guide, direct, and motivate the sales department. I monitor the organizational and functional structure of the area of responsibility. I promote the sales of the company through planning and marketing products. I design marketing strategies and improve corporate image. I meet the company objective and reception, consultation, and administration of rates.
My main function is secretary in this job. Attend to the client and let them know the cost. Answer telephone cards, receive archive documents, have knowledge with everything related to the company in order to give the correct information to the client. Take contract for species of all the animals they are sold before. Have the head debt and be aware of everything related to the position he had to collaborate with time of the directive, and that's only responsibility with everything that has in the marketing business decision for progress and benefits to the company. The price contribution of client worthy is for its adult $100. For its student, $70. Panamanian foreign resident in Panama, $50. Local students, 20. $25. Retired and resident of Panama, $40. $15. The payment accepts in checks and cash and credit card as Visa or MasterCard. You can request the reservation at anything. The person making the reservation will be asking for the name and his identification.
In the department tour guide, a principal function is prepare the different tour for the visitors to Panama. For example, the one-day visit program includes transportation by boat and lunch and guide tour. The tour starts in the morning, leaving Gamboa at 7:45 p.m. weekdays and at 8 a.m. approximately on weekends, and arriving at Barro Colorado from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. The guide will give visitors information about the natural history and prepare the group for the walk along the trail. The walk lasts from 3 hours and includes explanation about the different interactions that take place in the forest. The visit to the visitor center is part of the walk and maybe at the beginning or at the end of it. After the visitor center, you will head to the cafeteria for a buffet lunch where a variety of dishes, including a vegetarian selection, is offered. Then there will be a rest time where you can ask questions. The boat back to Gamboa leaves at 3:30 p.m. weekdays, arriving at 4:10 p.m. and at 2:30 p.m. arriving at 3 p.m. on weekends.
Okay, in that chart of pictures, you can see the different bird species that we have in the park. Our location in the Panama Canal in Barro Colorado, and our building in the island. In this case, it's this building.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.